everybody, this is Traveling Slut Girl, and we have traveled to fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. So I want to let you guys know how to get into the Go Pool at the Flamingo Hotel for free after June 4th, 2020, because it has changed. So reservations are required to get into the Go Pool, which is 21 and over, and how they're doing that is you can do it two ways. You can send a text at 8:45 in the morning. You can text the word Flamingo to 888-655-1545, and they'll text you back asking you your name and then your Caesars Rewards players card and how many people in your party. And then you will get a confirmation reservation saying that your reservation is received. And then they will text you back when your pool time is open, when you can get into the pool. And the one good thing about that is you don't have to stand in a long line in the morning to get into the pool to get in. It's not first come, first serve anymore. They're not doing that anymore. You have to have a reservation. Hard thing is you have no idea what time they're going to text you back. It could be 10 o'clock. It could be noon. The one thing is when they do text you that your pool reservation is open, come on down to the pool, you have only 10 minutes to get there. So you have to have your suit on, you have to be kind of prepared to get down there right away. And so I hope this video helps you guys out getting into the Go Pool. It is still 21 and older, so if you're coming in with a family or children under 21, you are not going to be able to get into the Go Pool. They do have a family pool at the Flamingo that's quite nice and quite large. And that's just over the bridge, and security can help you out. Thanks so much for enjoying this video. I hope it helped you get into the Go Pool. Everybody, I'm at the Go Pool!